In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ROUNDDOWN function in Excel. If you've ever needed to control exactly how many decimals appear in a result, without the risk of Excel nudging a value upward, ROUNDDOWN is your go-to function. It always trims digits towards 0. That means 7.29 becomes 7.2 when you keep one decimal, and 7.29 becomes 7.2 as well. This is different from the standard round function, which can round up, and from INT, which pushes negative numbers down to the next lower integer. Start by clicking the cell where you want the rounded result to appear. Keeping results separate from your source data is a good habit because it preserves the original values and makes your worksheet easier to audit. Now type the formula. Begin with an equal sign, then type ROUNDDOWN, followed by an opening parenthesis. Next, select the cell that contains the number you want to round down. After that reference, type a comma, then the number of decimal places you want to keep. For this demonstration, enter 1 to keep one decimal place. Finish with a closing parenthesis. If we say it out loud, it sounds like equals, round down, open parenthesis, the cell you selected, comma, 1, close parenthesis. Press Enter to see the result. Excel will display your original value rounded down to the precision you specified. Remember, ROUNDDOWN never increases a value. It simply removes extra digits toward 0. So 15.99 with one decimal becomes 15.1, while 15.10 stays 15.1. A quick note about that second argument, the number of digits. Use 1 for one decimal place, 2 for two decimals, and so on. If you use 0, Excel rounds down to a whole number. Negative values work too. 1 rounds down to the nearest 10, 2 to the nearest 100, which is useful for grouping values by tens or hundreds. Also, Excel doesn't care about capitalization here. ROUNDDOWN works the same as ROUNDDOWN. It's worth highlighting the difference between rounding and formatting. Changing a cell's number format to show fewer decimals only changes how the number looks. The underlying value stays the same. ROUNDDOWN creates a new value that actually has fewer digits, which is safer for downstream calculations where consistency matters, like budgets or inventory counts. You can also place a calculation inside ROUNDDOWN instead of a single cell reference if you want to control precision on a formula's result. And if you ever see an error, double-check your parentheses, the comma between arguments, and that the reference cell really contains a number. That's all there is to it. Choose your destination cell, write the ROUNDDOWN formula with the precision you need, and press Enter for a clean, predictable result every time.